What if the secret to instant fire is hiding in your shoe rack? I'll show you 3 savage ways to turn ordinary shoe polish into a survival fire powerhouse. Stay tuned. Your next fire starter is just a polish away.
Hack 1. The Fuzz Stick. Struggling to start a fire in the wet wild? Smear shoe polish onto your fuzz sticks. The volatile waxes ignite on contact, generating a massive thermal spike that instantly dries out damp wood. Hack 2. Emergency fuel source. Need a hot meal or safe drinking water fast? Turn an ordinary shoe polish tin into a DIY survival stove. It creates a wind-resistant flame capable of boiling water in minutes. Hack 3. The charcloth retort. Don't throw away that empty tin. Make zero-cost bushcraft gear by turning it into a charcloth retort. Just pack it with cotton, heat it over your camping stove or coals, and transform ordinary cotton fabric into high-grade carbonized tinder. Catch a spark instantly every single time.
Before you try these hacks in the wild, listen up. While these survival tricks work, ignoring this critical safety info can be dangerous to your health. First, toxicity. Always go outdoors. Burning shoe polish releases heavy metals and toxic hydrocarbons. Always remove or burn off all chemical residue before making charcloth. And second, strictly use sealed cooking containers to avoid swallowing harmful soot.
Using my breath, I try to bring it to life. And there we have it, fire! Which of these shoe polish hacks blew your mind? Drop your favorite in the comments below. Share this video with your camping crew and check out the next video. You might enjoy. Stay safe, stay smart.